Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change background in Spotify Instagram story. So if you upload a song on your Instagram story, there's going to be a background color and I'm going to show you how you guys can change it. So for this video's example, I will show you by sharing this music. So over here, I can click on the three dot at the top right corner of the screen and click on where it says share. Once I click on share, you can see the edit button at the top. So my background color is red right now. So I will click on edit and at the bottom you can see the list of the color. I will choose another color just like this. Once it's done, at the top right corner you will see done. Click on done. Just like this, the color will be changed. Now you want to click on stories at the bottom, which represents an Instagram logo, and wait for some time. Your Instagram will open up, and as you guys can see, the background color has changed. Now I can click on the little arrow button at the bottom right corner, click on story and click on share story and click on done, and basically this is going to be uploaded as my Instagram story with the changed background color. So I hope you understand how we guys can do this. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.